Elon or I don't know who or is, but Elon, how are you, buddy? Good, man. So how was your first year of college? Oh, I'm glad to hear that. That's awesome. That's super cool. And remind me where you're going to college again, Elon? I've been good. Lots of trading for me, recently. I've been starting to more and more taper back my account size on like the day trading side of things. Mostly just looking for, how do I explain it? Like income type of assets. So I've been really focusing instead on, so usually how I would trade, right, is I would usually take like 60% of my profits maybe, and then the other 40 I would reinvest back into my day trading account. But I've kind of gotten to the point where I'm already having liquidity issues with some of it. Especially with some of this like lower volume options chains, I've been starting to run into liquidity issues. So I've kind of stopped growing my day trading account. I'm just kind of keeping it where it's at, and I'm taking all of my profits, besides like the 60% or so to live on. And I've been throwing it at this covered call portfolio and then my dividend account. So kind of trying to grow just that, passive income as well. Now that I think my day trading account's at a pretty good spot. But yeah. Oh, awesome. A&M's a great school, man. Congrats to you. Yeah, I mean, I guess it's cool, but I think at the same time it kind of sucks. You know what I mean? Because you don't get to see, these big, your account growing 50%, in a year or something crazy like that. So in that aspect, it kind of is sad. But besides that, yeah, I guess it's good. It's a good, yeah, yeah, exactly, Alon. It's a good problem to have, like liquidity issues, you know. I think we're at the cat just now. Jeff, how are you? Oh, okay, Alon, did those I think you were telling me a pretty long time ago that you were starting something with like a popcorn stand in a mall. How did that end up going? Nice, dude. That's exciting. Oh, that's crazy. That's awesome. Just curious, how much is it to like rent the space that you guys are going to be in? Yeah, please do. I have no clue about like mall stuff. Never really learned about it. Oh wow. Yeah, well, I forgot to tell you while you were in college this year, I basically, man, I don't really know why I agreed to it. I guess, they're super nice people and I love them. But I helped some people start up a hedge fund this past year. How'd it go? It went pretty well. I think I kind of stopped with them maybe a little bit more than a month ago. I think my goal there was kind of just to get it up and running. And now that it seems like they're up and running and they got what it seems like to me, some decent strategies, I'm not really spending any more time there, man. I guess dude, just so much work. And I don't know, I'm just not interested in managing other people's money really. But yeah, it was good. They're basically, they're more as most hedge funds are. Sounds like they're going to be more so on the equities side of things, you know. Looking at what's kind of interesting though is they're looking at those like low and mid cap stocks. So that's kind of fun. Uh they're selling derivatives on those, lower risk, increase, their capital gains and stuff like that. And interesting how they're doing it. They're running that like around intrinsic value and stuff. Pretty cool. Yeah, and like yeah, I'm on. I mean, they paid me really well. So like basically since I helped them start it up, I basically own like 30% of the hedge fund now, Alon. You know what I mean? So they basically paid me in like equities. But yeah, and they haven't done any. I guess I'll probably get diluted a little bit once when they do like crowdfunding and stuff like that for the hedge fund. If they do that, they might not. But yeah, as of right now, I'm like a third partner type of deal. Yeah, thanks, Mary. I really appreciate that. Anyway, guys, trading. Right, Fed's going to be talking today, so expecting a choppy market, but some levels we're watching. Pen under 76.6, Cat 215, Boeing 244.4, Jumia moving up. Dude, I've been cycling Jumia calls in my covered call account for so long now. Yeah, check that out. Maybe found some sort of support here. I really have been starting to hate playing things to the downside, but we'll do it if one of these breaks here. Boeing close, so I'll get ready for this. Ooh, we're at like 240 calls. So I'm thinking we could do 242.52. Yeah. We'll probably go to those 242s if it breaks. If not, though, then we will move on. Mary, how are you though? Star. Nice. Good for you. That's awesome. DraftKings. Sure, man. How far out is your call? 55 days. Or is it a 55 strike? Oh, okay. Cool, cool. Gotcha. Yeah, I'll check that out in a second. Nice, Mary. That's exciting. So you guys are trying to sell the business. And then what? What's your retirement plan here, Mary? What do you want to do? Ooh, Falcon Aussie. I wonder what that looks like. Oh, Lord. Kind of. Looks cool, I guess. Nah, we'll pass. We will pass. Oh, that's awesome, Mary. Ugh, man. Let's see here. I'm gonna buy up some of those Boeing calls. Like, not a lot, though. I would go. I'm trying to think of a good sizing for us here, guys, before we enter. Hmm. I would go light. I would go like maybe half of what your normal position sizing looks like. Once we get this confirmation here. Looks like it's gonna break though. My one fear would be, it pulls back to VWAP and that would kind of sting. But if it happens, it happens. Alibaba is mooning. Ooh, let's check them out. Oh yeah, look at that. Lots of great candles. A bit of a downtrend, but Well, until Boeing decides to commit, I will look at DraftKings. Ooh, 55 call. Let's check it out. Wow, what a gap fill. That's pretty cool. What was the news catalyst on DraftKings alone? I mean, I can only imagine there is something here. Oh man, Wall Street bets. That's awesome. That's funny. Uh, hmm, from the technical side of thing, man, I mean, I really don't see a ton. 55 is a good strike, though. I think you chose well there on your strike price. Yeah. I mean, looks like it has momentum. Wall Street bets. Hopefully they do their thing. Pump it. I guess we'll see though. I don't really. Yeah, I didn't really see anything on the chart necessarily, but Boeing's looking good. I do like how it's setting up. I'm deciding whether we should just play this by the book, right? Just make sure we got that confirmation before we buy. Or if we just pick up like next week calls, or I mean next week puts, swing it probably. Kind of bad that we got that decrease in volume, but not the end of the world. Jeez, cues. All right. Go for the next week. So the 625 puts here on Boeing. 242.5 strike, 625 expiration. I'm gonna buy them now. I will let you know my entry. Doo-doo. Cool. Well, I'm in at 3.85. So I kind of split the bid and the ask straight in half. Not bad. Our stop loss will be pretty close. It'll probably be VWAP here. We'll give it like a couple cents over VWAP for the stop loss. Nice. Now let's keep on looking now that we got that trade going for us. Ooh, Boeing, let's go. Keep on dropping. Please. You can do it. You can do it. Well, look at that. Boeing's already paying us, guys. I'm gonna hold. I think my price target's gonna be 244. But if you see a point that you'd like to take profit on here, go ahead. Should be up maybe like 5% ish per contract right now on Boeing. So, okay. And there she goes. Boom. I trimmed half here, by the way, guys. So that's like a little 5%. Maybe if you got lucky with fills, maybe you got like 7, 8%. But yeah, trimmed half, 5% up. And that looked really yummy. Okay. Oh, we probably should have taken profit right there. It hit my price target and I didn't hit the button fast enough. We'll, oh, you're good, Mary. We'll take a trailing stop probably, just like, we'll go 244 point like 22. If it goes above that, we'll just break even on the rest of them. It bounces once. Yeah, I'll check that out in a second, Mary. It did look like it had some huge momentum to the upside there. Boom, guys, there it is. I am going to take profit on the rest here. Oh, I just got a my final fill at 4.0. Everybody. Good trade. Smaller, I guess, just because we took the next week expiration, but Better safe than sorry, I suppose. Good stuff though, guys. Oh, Baba and VWAP. We might have missed it, Mary. That might have been the touch there. That might have been the pullback. No. Oh, did any of you guys get into Boeing? No, that's all right. No worries. There's always more trades. Too expensive, yeah. Nice, Jeff. I'm just curious, what'd you get on your fill there on the buy? Because I feel like I got a bit played. I feel like I got a pretty bad fill, but I guess still made money, so that's okay. Okay, so we got the same fill there on the we got the same fill there on the buy, but you went up to me on the sell there. Tough, but good job, buddy. Pre-market, I read something about Oracle. Something about their guidance was way off or something like that. They beat earnings though, but their guidance was just terrible, I guess. Hmm. All right, guys. Well, if you guys see any trades, please let me know. Boeing was kind of the only nicely set up one, besides Cat and Penn, I guess, but both of them went the wrong direction at open. Didn't even give us the chance to trade them. So, also, any questions about trading, guys? I am open. I can answer. Still watching Baba. Mary, is it starting to pull back towards view app again, or is it still? It is. Okay. Interesting, interesting. Let's check her out. Boom. Oh, okay. Don't tempt me like this, Baba. Okay, okay. Theoretically, now is the time to buy. Let's see here. We could go like 618 to 12.5s. Let's see if we can get it like right on the VWAP though. That might be kind of nice. Oh, the bearish momentum though. Uh, so theoretically, guys, this is definitely a buy right now. Uh, I don't know why. I just feel bad about it. Something in my tummy, you know. It doesn't look. Yeah, I don't know why. I just got bad feeling. Maybe, maybe it pushes to the moon. Ooh, so here's the question, guys. Do we play by feelings or by the strategies? Uh, You know what? I'm just gonna go super light. I'm gonna buy some here, like super light, probably like less than half of my normal sizing. Why is my VWAP different? Well, what VWAP are you using, buddy? Also, my entry on Baba was 1.17, guys. We are now at 1.25. It's actually like not bad. That's actually pretty good. You know, because I've had a bad feeling about this, I'm gonna take profit here on Baba. So bought it at 1.17, out at 1.25, guys. Theoretically, just so you guys know, when we're playing the VWAP strategy like this, your take profit should be probably right around here on Baba. So I just decided to pull the gun early. But generally speaking, on the VWAP strat, your take profit's right around here. What is your basic trading view VWAP? I think I have the basic trading view VWAP. Yeah, it's just VWAP sessions. How different is your VWAP from mine? Can I look at Clove? I think it's actually Clover. Yeah. Ooh, small caps. Love it. Okay. Pretty recent stock. Looks like it's kind of touching the support right now. Shinchan. Oh, it's a Wall Street bet stock. Well, technical analysis will not mean anything usually on like these Wall Street bet stocks. I shouldn't say that. I'm sure you can still use them, but yeah, basically kind of only thing I see that's like really rough would be something like right around here. It'd be right around there. That's kind of the only area that I'm seeing here, and it looks like it just broke underneath it. Yeah, that's kind of the only thing I see. You sent me your VWAP. Okay, perfect. Mary, thanks for the Baba play there, by the way. I appreciate that. There goes Baba. Let's see. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, yeah, of course. It really is like the easiest strategy to implement. You're right, great setup, right? Big push up, smaller volume on the pullback, touches VWAP, and we purchase. Thanks, Mary. I appreciate that. Yeah, thank you. I've been thinking about doing more courses this summer. I don't know. They probably wouldn't be paid though. I would just here's for those of you guys that are on right now. Uh, here's always been my reasoning for making people pay for courses is because like, it is a lot of time for me to like, set these things up, teach about them, all of that. Um, and I basically, I guess just the reason why I've been asking people to pay uh is just because I feel like if you don't, right, I'm gonna have a bunch of people, and I do try and keep it small, right, so that we can actually like talk with each other and stuff. Just gonna have a bunch of people that are there, right, because it's free, don't really care about it. They aren't gonna get anything out of it, whatever. But I know that if you pay for it, then you're invested into it. You're actually gonna focus. You're gonna actually try and learn this stuff. It's not gonna be a waste of both of our times. But I think, yeah, I think I've got a pretty good feel now that I've, you know, been with you guys for another year, all that stuff. I think I got a pretty good feel for who's really in it. So maybe we won't do a paid one, but maybe we'll just get some people together, talk about trading. We can talk about selling options too. It's something that I've been doing a lot recently. Maybe we could talk about that over a couple Zoom calls. Uh, Great way for like passive income, by the way. It's just amazing. Airbnb. I haven't actually even looked at Airbnb charts since it IPO'd. I think I did like the day it IPO'd, but yeah, check that out. It looks good. Guys, I'm gonna go through my watch list probably one more time here. We made two good trades, so I'm happy about that. Not gonna lie, the past couple of days that we've done Zoom calls, it's been like one or zero trades, just because of how crappy the market's been lately. But I appreciate it. Um, you guys coming on, all that stuff. Alon, we should catch up, dude. It's been forever since I've seen you, heard from you, anything. So we should catch up. Uh, I'll keep you guys updated if I decide to do some sort of course. I think if I do, it wouldn't be a paid thing this time. It would probably be just like first come, first serve type of deal. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. I think, okay, quick question before you guys all head out. If I were to do another course, Shin Chan, Mary, Elon, I know Jeff has been in some of them as well. What would you guys want the topic to be on? What would you guys want to talk about? All that stuff. Risk management. That's a biggie. Lots of different ways to deal with that. Yeah, selling options. Mentality. Okay. These are all very different things. Maybe risk management and mentality are kind of similar. Let's see here. Yeah, dividends. Dividends are a big one. You should check out a QYLD, Mary Rose. I think they're paying like a pretty crazy dividend right now. Something around 11% ish. QYLD. So Q at the front, D at the end. I'll pull up their chart for you right now. It's basically their whole goal is like passive income. So here they are. Pull out to the daily. Basically, they pay a monthly dividend, right? So all of these D's on the chart is another dividend they paid. They pay, I think they're something crazy. Like I think they're paying like 11% annual dividend yield, which is absolutely ridiculous. The one thing that you got to think of that's probably like maybe downside is that it is not going to appreciate much just because they're selling basically covered calls on basically the Nasdaq. So the main, I'll check out main right now. So yeah, basically what you're looking at when you get QYLD is you aren't looking for your stock or ETF appreciation. You're more so looking for, the dividend. Okay. So main isn't actually an ETF though. Main's an actual stock. Street Capital Corporation. Oh, it's a firm. Cool. Oh, yeah, they do the monthly dividends. That's cool. 6% ish. 5.8% dividend. Cool, cool. Yeah, it's actually a kind of cool concept that you got going on too here. Yeah, check that out. Yeah, dividends are huge. I kind of got this dividend account. It's doing like weekly dividends. It's kind of cool. I'm almost to weekly dividends, I should say. I have a couple weeks that I haven't filled out yet for that weekly dividend thing, but I'm getting there. I think I got like dividends probably I probably miss like 2 weeks every 3 months, I think, on dividends right now in my account. But it's kind of fun. I kind of enjoy just like trying to plan them so that way dividends are all different weeks, stuff like that. Like it's kind of fun. And then the covered calls portfolio, that's been fun. I've been holding Jumia in it forever. I think they're doing well today. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, I am going to head out here. I really appreciate your guys' time. Uh, it was a lot of fun, guys. If you guys have any ideas for some sort of course, just message me, or some of you guys have my phone number. Just text me, call me, whatever. All right. It was a pleasure. Two good trades, guys. I'll see you guys later.